Kurumirira gikuo kia murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya utungata wa thimu ya Safaricom niwe Bob Collymore, riu kambuni iyo igutindikiririo gukorwo na mogaruruku urutini wa wira niguo gutigirira undu uyu ndunathukia kambuni na njira ya kumirehera hathara. Bob Collymore akoretwo ari murugamiriri munene kambuni-ini ino kuma mwaka wa 2010 riria iyukirie giturwa kiu kuma kuri Michael Joseph uria wari murugamiriri munene kuma mwaka wa 2000 nginya mwaka wa 2010 na kuria kuma hindi iyo Safaricom ikoretwo ikiandikithia baita na njira nene.
To respect his legacy of the company and what he has done in the last 9 years, Bob has taken this company from where it was when he arrived here in 2010 and took over from me. I think we have been very fortunate and lucky that Bob understood what Safaricom was all about, the DNA of Safaricom, and took it to another level. I think you've all experienced Bob, his largeness, his enthusiasm, his greatness, his affinity with people. And I think that's what has driven this company and what Bob has done for this company.
Ica ikuhe Safaricom yandikithitie baita ya birioni 63.4 iria ni gicunjĩ gia 14.7 mwaka-ini uria wathirire mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu. Baita kumana na marihi maria kambuni ya Safaricom yandikithitie kumana na motungata ma kuhura thimu ikirugamira birioni 93.9 iria ni gicunjĩ gia 0.3 na motungata ma kuruta na gutuma mbeca kuhitukira M-Pesa magikura na gicunjĩ gia 19.2 na gukinya birioni 74.9. Mweri wa gatano, Safaricom ni yongereire Bob Collymore ihinda ria gutungata ari ta murugamiriri munene nginya mwaka wa 2020. Muikariri giti Niikoretwo augite ni megukorwo na mucemanio niguo kubanga mitaratara ya gutwarithia na mbere kambuni iyo.
That Bob's management style was an inclusive style so that members of the management know exactly what Bob would have expected them to do. So there won't be such a drop or a sudden loss of direction. But in any case, as I said, the board will be debating this afternoon how we continue to strengthen the leadership of this country, of this company.
Handu-ini ha Njata TV, njitagwo Njekehu wa Maina.